Hi, my name is Zach, and I'm headed into my 7th season here at Powder7. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the MX99, the most highly anticipated release from Kastle this year. Kastle has always been considered a top brand for us here at Powder7, and that certainly started with the success of the MX line about a decade ago. The MX99 is a significant departure from any way that the MX has ever been created before. Let's dive in. The main difference is that this will be the first MX ever to have rocker in the tip. There is still zero tail rocker, so you can feel confident flying at reckless speeds. Some may remember the MX98 from the past as the burliest, most demanding ski ever created by Kastle. Well, the goal of the MX99 is to have all of that performance and precision in a more fun and approachable package that is also better than the others in soft snow. Tip rocker, a bit of carbon, and a more playful shape will allow you to turn more easily, along with providing much needed help when traveling into ungroomed territory. Don't be fooled though, you still need to be an advanced to expert level skier to handle these sticks. Our first introduction to the MX99 was when it was released at the SIA On Snow demo at Copper last February. I am 100% confident in saying it was my favorite ski of the entire demo. They only had the 176 centimeter available, which normally would be on the short side for me, a guy who's 220 and 5'10", but I was blown away at how stable and confident I felt. Of course I want to try the 184 as soon as it's available, but from my experience, don't be afraid to size down slightly on these skis. We are super excited about the release of the MX99 for winter 2019, so if you have questions on this ski or any other ski that we carry, please don't hesitate to give us a call.